Recently, I went through most of the comments on this channel and found that many of my viewers are very frustrated. The reason is simple: most of the AI tools are paid right now, and I completely understand that. If you're a content creator or just experimenting as a beginner, hitting those limits after just 1 or 2 generations can be super annoying. That's why I came up with a solution by showing you 5 different free and unlimited AI video generation tools. We'll try both text-to-video and image-to-video features. But where this video really stands out is that we'll use the same prompt and the same image in every tool. In the end, you'll be able to decide which tool works best for you. So before starting the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to support the channel. I created this video to help solve your frustrations, so show some love to keep the good stuff coming. Also, drop a comment below with the word super and let me know your favorite tool from this AI era. Alright, let's get started. Tool number 1, ChatGLM. First land on the ChatGLM site. It might show up in Chinese. No worries. Just right-click anywhere on the page, select Translate to English, and you're set. To get started, you'll need to sign up using a phone number for verification. Instead of using your own number, head over to temporaryphonenumber.com, pick a US number, and copy it. Then, go back to ChatGLM, click on Login, select the country code, paste the copied phone number, and click Get Verification Code. Head back to temporaryphonenumber.com, refresh the page, copy the received code, paste it into ChatGLM, and hit Login. Once you're in, navigate to the AI video section. Let's start by generating a video from a single prompt. I'm copying a prompt and pasting it here. By clicking on Basic Parameters, you'll notice some advanced options are locked behind their VIP plan, but the free version still offers plenty. You can render videos in HD quality, and they even include up to 3 AI sound effects per day at no cost. Now, let's hit Generate. Since we're not paid users, we'll need to wait a few minutes. For me, it took about 7 minutes to generate. In the end, the result was very impressive. Smooth animation, no awkward AI glitches, and overall, a super clean look. But the video does contain a watermark. You can either crop it out. Here's a quick comparison with Kling AI. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Now let's try the image-to-video feature. Upload an image here, paste the corresponding prompt, and hit generate. After waiting through the queue, here's the result. I think it followed our prompt exactly as expected. Tool number 2, Qwen AI. Let's dive into our second free AI video generator, Qwen AI. This tool offers unlimited video generation with no watermarks and no export limits. And the quality? Surprisingly awesome for a free tool. Here's how to get started. When you land on the page, the video generation feature won't even show up until you're logged in. So, hit the sign up button in the top right corner and use your Google account to create an account. Once you're in, look for the More button in the menu. That's where the video generation tool is located. So click on it. Qwen AI is all about text to video. You just drop in your prompt, and the system takes care of the rest. The interface is super clean and user-friendly. For this test, I used the same prompt as earlier, because we need to see which free tool delivers the best quality. Now let's hit Generate. After waiting a few minutes, the result is ready. Qwen AI's outputs were a bit of a mixed bag, but still impressive for a free option. In my case, I wasn't fully satisfied because it wasn't exactly what I expected. Here are some other samples I generated. Some videos felt a little static or slow, while others captured subtle movement details quite well. It didn't deliver the high-energy motion I was hoping for, but the visuals were still crisp and on theme. Rendering takes about 3 minutes per video, which is pretty reasonable. And the best part? You can generate as many videos as you want. No limits, no watermarks, and no payment needed. Tool number 3, Veer. Alright, let's jump into our third free AI video generator, Veer. This one stands out in the best way possible. Unlike the others, Veer focuses solely on image-to-video, and here's the kicker. It's completely free, unlimited, and doesn't add any watermarks to your videos. Let's break down how I used it. Head over to veer.com. No login or sign-up required. Just click on the image-to-video tool, then select Generate Video from Image, and you're in. I uploaded an image of an astronaut in space, same as before, and by clicking the icon, Veer's AI instantly generated a detailed description to guide the motion and style. You can tweak this description if it doesn't fit your vision or stick with it. I pasted a custom prompt, same as before, then added camera movement. Keep in mind, that's optional. And finally hit Generate. In under a minute, boom, a clean video was ready. The video looked good but didn't fully follow the prompt we added. In the prompt, I asked for an astronaut slowly lifting their hand, but instead the astronaut lowered their hand. Here are some sample ones I tried with Veer. Veer isn't built for full-on storytelling or dialogue-heavy videos, but it's perfect for bringing static images to life with dynamic motion and mood. One heads up, Veer doesn't save your videos, so download them right after rendering or they're gone for good. If you've got a striking image and want to add some flair and motion, Veer is one of the simplest and most effective free tools out there. I know some of you still haven't liked the video. Come on guys, just do it. One like from you gives us huge motivation to keep creating more. Tool number 4, Yuewin AI. Now here's one that most people don't know about, but it's definitely worth exploring if you're willing to put in a little extra effort. It's called Yuewin AI. When you first open the site, everything will likely be in Chinese. But don't worry, just right-click anywhere and hit Translate to English so you can navigate the layout, just like we did before. Next comes the sign-up process. You'll need a phone number to register. But here's the catch. If you try choosing United States from the drop-down while the site is translated into English, it won't work. The workaround is to switch the site back to Chinese first, then select the US from the drop-down. A little trial and error, but it does the job. After that, go to a temporary phone service like temporaryphonenumber.com and grab a number. Paste it into Yuewin, then click Generate Code. Head back to temporaryphonenumber.com, refresh the page, copy the code you received, and paste it on Yuewin AI. Accept the terms and click Verify. Once you see your number appear in the corner of the screen, you're logged in. At this point, you can switch the site back to English again. Now the fun part begins. Yuewin offers both text-to-video and image-to-video generation. Let's start with text-to-video. I pasted the same prompt we used earlier and clicked Generate. If no one else is generating a video, yours will start right away. But if you see a notification, don't panic. Wait a few minutes and try again. Once it began, the rendering took around 10 minutes or more, which is much slower compared to the other tools we've tested so far. As for the results, the quality was decent, though overall it looked a bit average. And unlike the other generations, this output didn't include the blacksmith that I specifically asked for in the prompt. Here are some other sample videos generated using the text-to-video feature. Now let's test the image-to-video option on Yuewin AI. I uploaded an image, added a prompt, selected one of the built-in camera movements, and clicked Generate. Again, it took much longer than the previous tools. And when it finally finished, the results looked smooth and clean. But Yuewin AI didn't fully follow the prompt. For example, I asked for, the astronaut slowly lifts their hand, but instead, Yuewin AI mainly focused on camera movement. Another drawback is that free videos come with a watermark, but just like before, you can crop it out. If you don't mind a little setup hassle and slower render times, Yuewin is still a hidden gem. I will show you all of the generated results and reveal which tool is better and who the winner is. But before that, let me show you the final tool. Tool number 5, Google AI. We've explored some amazing free tools so far, either fully free or with clever workarounds. But now, let's switch gears. The next tool isn't unlimited, but its quality is so incredible that it deserves a spot on this list. Head over to studio.google.com. Signing in is super easy. Just use your Google account. Once you're in, click Generate Media on the left menu. Here you'll see options like Imagen, Gemini Speech Generation, Gemini Image Generation, and of course VO. Select VO from the list. You'll notice a warning that says, Video generation with VO in AI Studio has a limited free quota for testing. Anyway, just type in the prompt you want to generate. I'm using the same prompt we tested earlier. For now, I'll keep everything simple and click Run. Since we're on the free plan, you may need to wait a few minutes, and then the video is generated. The result followed our prompt and delivered a high-quality video. It's honestly quite satisfying. The tool also allows us to generate videos from images, so let's try that out. I'm uploading the same astronaut image and adding a description for it. On the right side, you can adjust the number of results, aspect ratio, video duration, and even add negative prompts if needed. If everything looks good, hit Run. Sometimes you'll get a notice saying the system is busy or the generation volume is high. Don't worry, just keep retrying and your video will eventually go through. And the results? They're fantastic. Smooth animations, cinematic visuals, rich detail, and best of all, no watermark. Honestly, it feels like something straight out of a professional studio. The only downside? This isn't unlimited. You get a taste for free, but if you want to generate a lot of videos, you'll need to upgrade to a premium plan. Alright, let's wrap this up with a head-to-head comparison of our 5 free AI video generators to find the ultimate champion. Here are the clips created with the text-to-video feature. Honestly, they're all super close and performed amazingly well. But in my opinion, Google AI Studio's Veo 2 stole the show with its stunning quality. So, Google AI is the winner here. I hope this video helped you discover the best free AI video generator. And if you'd like me to test out paid AI video generators to see which ones are actually worth buying, comment below with part 2 and I'll make it happen. See you in the next one.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss new videos.